What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on VGX Voyager token guys, which has pumped up 40%, not even the last 24 hours but I'll say in the last couple of hours, as you can see here, pumping from about 59 cents all the way up to 82 cents, and right now has taken a little dip back to 78. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what I'm going to be going through in today's video, looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, and also its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and mainly looking at, is it worth investing into it, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So going into the Coinbase website, we can see the market is up just over a percentage. However, VGX is over nearly 38% up, and is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So we can see in the last hour itself, we managed to gain over a percentage. Over the last day, nearly 40%. Over the week, 34%, and over the month, massive 115% up guys, which is absolutely insane. If you look at most other cryptos on the monthly chart, they are down because of obviously the major crypto, I wouldn't say crash, but the dip that's taken place over the last 2 to 3 weeks. However, VGX has managed to stay on the positive side, and as you can see, a major pump here in mid-August or late August, going from about 27 cents all the way up to 70 cents. Took a little dip, and right now pumping back up again. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 470% in the last 24 hours, making it $84.2 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Voyager token. We're seeing a lot of buyers, but we're also seeing a lot of sellers taking out their profits. So if we look into the Coinbase website, we can see a 53% buy against 47% sell. So yeah, we've got a lot of buyers, but we also got a lot of sellers as well, potentially taking out the profits after the peak that's taken place over the last 6-7 hours. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, but for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top here, we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Voyager token, which at the moment is 47 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value at 78 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. Yes, I know it looks like he's going in a straight line, but if you zoom out a little bit, we can see it just about slanting towards the negative direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, more or less, VGX should be trading at its current price range around 75 to 80 cents, somewhere around there, with very minimal dips and peaks in between. Don't get me wrong, I'm expecting it to peak in between as well over the next 2-3 hours. I'm expecting it to go above 85 cents, potentially going towards the 90 cents target, heading towards the $1 mark towards over the next couple of hours, but it is going to dip back down as well. So do expect red candles, do expect green candles. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side, so more or less fluctuating at the current price range. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish, looking positive. As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are both looking quite steep, going in a positive direction. However, the only reason for that is that because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours, the graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting it to drop back down in value, as I previously mentioned. Again, the next 7 days doesn't mean it's going to be hitting green candles consistently. We are going to see red candles when it's down, green candles when it's up. There's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome towards the end of this week, very early next week, seems to be more on the positive side. So again, I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, potentially trading between 85 to 90 cents towards the end of the week is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect here? Still looking bullish, guys. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a positive direction. They're not looking as steep, meaning it's quite realistic. So again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming weeks. So let's say by mid-October to late October, we should expect again an overall increase in value on Voyager token. However, it's going to be a minimal increase, potentially towards the $1 mark is where I'm expecting Voyager token to be heading towards. However, this all depends on any major updates that come across, on not just on Voyager token, but obviously if Bitcoin does decide to drop to about 10-15k, we are going to see major drops on most cryptos. However, if we do see Voyager token pump up to about 35-40k or whatever it is, then we are going to see major pumps, not just on Bitcoin, but not just Voyager token, but the whole crypto market in general. But I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, because crashes and major bull runs and so on are not expected. So yeah, these things are something that you're going to have to predict just before it takes place. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since about April 2022. So for about 4 or 5 months consistently, we've been trading in the red zone. Not only that, but we've been getting worse and worse and worse. And at the moment, we are sitting at 76 cents. But that doesn't matter, guys. As long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be able to hit the $1.84 target, which is the resistance target. Potentially towards the end of this year or early next year, we should be able to head there, obviously depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, as long as we move in an upwards direction, that should be good enough. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on VGX, guys. Let me know what your expectations are. I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto over the last couple of weeks on my videos and in my DMs as well. So let me know what is the highest or lowest figure of this crypto can hit in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.